Erwin Santos. Good trail job.
Dalawan lang ang bata ng Magnolia dito, 57-55. Some pressure sa backcourt, but Wesley Gonzalez
showing his dribbling skills for a 6'4 player. McCaskill wants to go at Thomas. Okay, dito kay Wesley. Wesley looks up, 3 seconds. He sees it on the shot clock. Takes the jumper from 16. Wala yan. Ito ang Air 21. Chance ang tumabla o lumamang. Depende sa anong resulta.
Ayun
Ayun na, tabla na.
Yung sinasabi mo nga the big guys of Air 21 can run, can dribble, can shoot from 3-point area. Complete package.
Oo, parang may mold eh. Diba? Para sa kanila.
May assembly line ng gano'n.
Oo.
Ba, gano'n eh, no? Pare-pareho.
Ito si McCaskill. Lefty hook shot off the glass. Guwapong-guwapo.
Sa quarter na to parang 14 points in the ballgame for McCaskill. 3 baskets na lang itong dalawang teams na to.
Here's Thomas once again. Cross court to Canaleta. He's open from 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni Dorian Peña. 36 seconds remaining. Dito sa third quarter. Wesley Gonzalez clears the timeline. Peña. Down to McCaskill. 10 seconds on that shot clock. Ontiveros is open.
You don't leave him wide open.
Oo, porque ba nag-miss siya kanina eh. Diba? Pwede nang pabayaan ng ganyan yan. That's one of the best in the league.
Kaya nga. At 5 itong abante ng Magnolia. Last shot time. Kung gusto ng Air 21.
Oo. Pero tinira agad ni Stephen Thomas. He misses.
Ito pala
Ontiveros
last
gets it. Oh, daming oras pa. 5 seconds to go. Ontiveros looks up. He squares. He takes it.
Sayang.
And he misses everything. Sayang, ayan, time to square up to the basket. Masyado malayo lang ang tira niya. And at the end of 3 quarters, 62-57, Magnolia has gotten a 5-point lead entering the fourth.
Buhay ko ang basket.
Hindi lang ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon.
Gusto kong sumika. Huwag naman ang bola. Gusto ko maging proud sa akin ng tatay ko. Kahit sino naman gustong mag-MVP, di ba?
Ang laro mo. Ang pangarap mo. Ikaw na kaya ito?
Sinadwich na. Ayun, sumalok. Ang lalim na goal.
Sali na sa tryouts ng bayan.
Big shot after big shot. Showing us an MVP-like performance.
At baka ikaw din ang maging unang may MVP.
Yeah, that's right. This song goes out to all y'all that's been missing us for mad years. One love, yo. Yeah, that's right. He's got game. PE 1998.
If man is the father, the sun is the center of the earth. In the middle of the
Back at the United Center. We're about to begin the fourth quarter of this game between Magnolia and Air 21 as we see the fans here in Antipolo City taking in this ball game. These are our top players, our top players, our semis leaders. McCaskill in points, rebounds Alexander, assists Helterbrand, Artadi in steals, and Alexander once again for the blocks. That was our top players. Brought to us by Top Power Energy Drink, Top Power Energy. And as we're about to begin the fourth and final quarter, I take this opportunity to greet a good friend of mine, my compañero, Attorney Rex Celis. A happy birthday. He's tuned into the ball game, as are so many others watching this great semifinals.
Ako naman, kaklasiko ng high school. Matagal na yan. Happy birthday, Alan Lee.
Ayan. Freight Train versus McCaskiller's Instinct. At sa statistics, lamang na lamang si McCaskill. Points. Pero sa rebounds, halong tabla.
Sa blocks, 3 against 1.
You know, McCaskill had a reputation for being a good shot blocker ever since his college days. But so far in this league, wala pa masyado. At hindi ma-inbound ang bola ni Don Ontiveros. Good defense coming off that timeout for Air 21.
Sisimula pa lang ang quarter, naipit na.
May report si Magu Marjon regarding the guy we've been looking for, Danny Siegel.
Charlie, Barry, ito pa lang si Dynamite Danny Siegel. Tinamaan ng lagnat kahapon lamang. Kaya dito sa ball game na to, suited up siya pero hindi makakapaglaro. Isa pang problema, sabi ng trainer ng Magnolia, binabattle he is battling a bout with dehydration. Kaya malabo na nga makapasok to para sa ball game na to. Back to you guys.
Hindi, ganito lang yan yung quarterfinals, hindi naman naglaro si Danny Siegel. Lumusot sila Yung game 1, hindi na siya naglaro. Nanalo sila Yung game 2, naglaro siya, talo
Ganun ba yun?
Baka-
Ganun ba yun?
baka
Sa may
okay lang.
kasalanan, ganun? Hindi naman
Baka
siguro.
okay lang na, ano.
Ah, bad feng shui, gano'n? Ano bang meron doon? Sabi ni Magu, kahapon lamang. Akala ko, tatapusin yung report niya, babalos eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? Ito si Don Ontiveros losing it, but is able to recover. Accomplishes it. You know, JC Intal is in the ball game.
3-man substitution yan.
Ah,
Intal,
JC
Billones, and Soto.
Oh, di ba? Kakaibang bunot ni Coach Bo Peresol to start his fourth quarter.
Okay, no?
Cold off the bench,
Oo
ha?
nga eh.
Itong tatlo. Mike Cortez. Confidently drive into the lane, loses it, pero
Ano ba tawag doon? Ano ba tawag doon sa move na yun ni Coach Bo Peresol? Decompress? De-express? Diba?
ano ba nangyari? Di ba biglang Soto now is guarding Dorian Peña. They get the board. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Magnolia scrambling. The drop to Ildefonso. Masyado malakas ang tira niya, but Peña, because there's no big guy.
It was Soto
Stephen
against
Thomas,
Peña.
oo.
Naitulak lang yun eh. 7-point lead for the Beverage Masters.
All Pinoy. Ang laro natin ngayon. Upo yung dalawang import. First blood sa fourth quarter, Magnolia.
May foul. Makukuha si JC. The Penny Intal.
JC Penny. Ito si JC Intal. Lost a lot of, missed a lot of games dahil sa isang injury.
Hindi. Yun gusto niya. Hindi siya nagpapawis eh.
O yung, basta may parang, ang tawag nila doon?
Pero
There's a
naman-
condition, skill condition ang sabi nila, di ba? And JC Intal came back late.
In the last game of the elimination round against Pure Foods.
At hasn't gotten much playing time, but you know, they always say to warm up quickly, go to the basket, shoot some free throws.
Yeah. And 2-for-2 for JC.
Nakuha agad ng dalawa si JC Intal.
Ano ba gusto mong moniker na to? The Penny o Superstar?
Si JC. Ano tawag niya sa kanya? The Rocket. Di ba? Meron na yan eh. The Rocket na yan eh. Oh.
Ayaw mo na JC Superstar. Di pwede.
Danny Ildefonso ngayon trying to take on Ronnie Del. Lefty, hook shot doesn't go. Ronnie Del controls. A chance to creep a bit closer itong F21. JC Intal nagdadala ng bola. Binalik kay Egay. Villones. Intal makes his move. He likes it from there, but he
Malibre ka
decides to
dyan.
give it to Soto. Si Soto!
Libre ka dyan.
Oo,
Pwede yan.
diba?
Eh,
Si
kahit na
Soto,
nilayo mo pa ng konti, pwede rin eh.
hindi pinababayaan yung big man na yan from the trains. Yan nga gusto niya eh, di ba?
Kahit na nung nasa St. Francis yan, 3 points ang tinitira niyan.
Diyan siya komportable. Diyan siya komportable. So, he's able to hit that cut the lead down to 3. Dorian Peña, double team comes. Goes up strong and Erwin Soto.
Hindi na dapat hinampas si Erwin Soto yun eh.
Binaba yung arms.
Binaba niya yung arms. Pwede na niyang patirahin si Dorian Peña that time.
Ito ba si Erwin Soto, naging teammate ni Ronnie Del sa St. Francis?
Yeah.
Pati si Yancy.
Yan, sabay-sabay yan. Ang lalaki
Kung
na.
paano ka na-drive sa lane pag gano'n?
Meron pa sila isang player, si Kiram. Lahat 6'5" and above yun eh.
Mahirap nga, drumay pag gano'n. Ito, Don Ontiveros, kani-kanina lang, TM3, hatid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte SIM. 30 pesos lang, may bagong diskarte ka na.
Alok, ang pangalawang free throw. Walang